Creating custom jewelry can be stressful, especially considering you don't know if the ring will turn out exactly how you envisioned it. There's now a solution that can only be found when you create a piece of custom jewelry made by the Diamond family. When you come into the Diamond family to start designing your piece, you will leave with a 3D hologram viewer. Within just a few days, you'll receive a hologram file you can view on your mobile device. Place the viewer on your phone and watch your creation come to life right in front of your eyes. Email your changes and repeat the process until it's perfect. Once you approve your design, we'll have it ready to hand over to you in just a few weeks. The Diamond family is St. Louis's premier custom jeweler for a reason. We'd love to show you why. You only get one chance to propose to her. Make the most of it and create an experience you will cherish forever with 3D holographic jewelry design.